My moral in life is simple. You treat me good and I'll definitely treat you better. Do everything with a good heart and expect nothing in return, and you will never be disappointed. Fly. First love yourself. When you know the truth of yourself, you don't need wings to fly. Fun. Finally understanding nothing. When your mind is clear with nothing to understand, then everything you see and hear will be in fun. Hate. Holding a treacherous energy. The energy of fear causes anger, making you a victim of your own misguided directions. The anger of hate will create a victim out of you in the end. Real women are classy, strong, independent, loyal, and lovable, and one thing about them is they know they deserve better. Think like a queen. A queen is not afraid to fail. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness. Women should be someone and not something. It changed my life. I saw art then as I wanted to see it. Let today be the day you stop being a victim of your circumstances and start taking action towards the life you want. It is as well not to have too great an admiration for your master's work. You will be in less danger of imitating him. It is better to look ahead and prepare than to look back and regret. We will go forward, we will never go back. At the end of the day, it's not about what you have or even what you have accomplished. It's about who you have lifted up, who you have made better. It's about what you have given back. When you are a winner, you come back no matter what happened the day before. The comeback is always better than the setback. You may have to fight a battle more than once to win it. It's not how far you fall, but how high you bounce that counts. The difference between a strong man and a weak one is that the former doesn't give up after a defeat. It doesn't matter how deep you fall, what matters is how high you bounce back. Music, melodic, unique, sound, inviting, creativity. Music is the highest form of communication in the universe. Music was here before time began. It is the universal language of the world. Light, living in God's heavenly thoughts. Let there be light and you will feel the colors of the rainbow like thoughts high above you. Can creative and new. Just keep saying to yourself, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. I know I can, I know I can, I know I can. Laugh, letting an unfiltered giggle happen. Laughter is the best medicine. Smile, sending magnificent inner loving energy. A smile opens doors and brings light. Peace, purely experiencing a comfortable energy. Peace is settling and kind. Love, living on victorious energy. Two hearts in the wind equal love, and love is the strongest element of them all. Faith, fantastic adventures in trusting Him. Replace the word fear with faith, and no weapon used against you will prosper. Truth, taking real understanding to heart. The truth requires no questions. Nuts, never underestimate the Spirit. When you are feeling the grace of the Spirit, it's okay to be nuts. Art means above real truth. Art is only the search, not the final form. Out means debating on understanding bewildering thoughts. When you debate with yourself, there are no winners. Life means living in forever, eternity. I'm feeling like I have never felt before. It's a beautiful feeling of freedom. Feel life, don't escape it. Life is your birth given right. Motivation means moving our thoughts into victory and truth in overcoming negativity. Turning thoughts to kindness and love creates a symphony of goodness. Champion, creating happiness and magical progress in overcoming negativity. Awesome, a wonderful experience showing this magnificent energy. Instantly shift your attitude into well being. Peace means pleasurable experience, anchoring centered energy. When mind is weak, a situation becomes problem. When mind is balanced, the situation becomes a challenge. When mind is strong, that situation becomes opportunity. It's all a mind game. Be strong. Your problem isn't the problem. Your reaction is the problem. Do it now. Sometimes later becomes never. Follow none but learn from everyone. Take risks in life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. Today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. Only I can change my life. No one can do it for me. Believing in yourself is the first secret of success. When someone tells me no, it doesn't mean I can't do it. It simply means I can't do it with them. Remember that there is no happiness in having or in getting, but only in giving. Remember that the happiest people are not those getting more, but those giving more. A clear vision backed by definite plans gives you a tremendous feeling of confidence and personal power. Believe in yourself. You are braver than you think, more talented than you know, and capable of more than you imagine. Laziness is nothing more than the habit of resting before you get tired. If you spend too much time thinking about a thing, you will never get it done. Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. The most important thing is to enjoy your life, to be happy. It's all that matters. Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Take responsibility of your own happiness. Never put it in other people's hands. No regrets in life, just lessons learned. Work hard in silence and let the success be the noise. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. The past is behind, learn from it. The future is ahead, prepare for it. The present is here, live it. The road to success is always under construction. Mindset is what separates the best from the rest. If you want to become big, stop thinking small. Once you become fearless, life becomes limitless. Winners are ordinary people with extraordinary determination. Behind every successful person, there is a lot of unsuccessful years. Life always gives us another change. It's called to move on. Silence and smile are two powerful tools. Smile is the way to solve many problems, and silence is the way to avoid many problems. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. The best revenge is massive success. A goal without a plan is just a wish. If you want to be powerful, educate yourself. Without education, there is no future. Distance doesn't matter when roots of your relationship are strong enough. Rivers never go reverse, so try to live like a river. Forget your past and focus on your future. Always be positive. Honest relationships are just like water. No color, no shape, no place, no taste, but still very important for life. Truth is like a surgery. It hurts, but it heals. A lie is like a painkiller. It gives instant relief, but has side effects forever. Coins always make sound, but paper monies are always silent. So when your value increases, keep yourself silent and humble. Don't compare your life to others. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. Honorable व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं।